Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Rumi from K-pop Demon Hunter with this outfit and dress and press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, for the hair, you can choose this hair and then you're going to color it with this purple color. This is for the color code. And then you're going to put on this necklace, make it this color, and this earring, make it this color. And then combine it with this earring, make it this color, and then put on this boots. You're going to make it white and gold. Okay, and then the next one guys, you can go to the masculine area and put on this top, and then you're going to color it with this color, the broken white, and then you're going to make it metallic. Okay, then I'm going to move to this area and put on this item, and then you're going to color it white. And I'm going to go to the jeans area. It's right here, and then we can put on this short jeans and apply the same white color for the first selection and also the second selection. And then for the material, you're going to make it metallic for the first selection. Okay, and the next one, go to this belt area and put on this belt, and then you're going to make it this color. Wait, oops, sorry. I'm going to apply this color for the first selection, and for the second selection make it this color, and for the third selection apply the same color. Yeah, this is for the color code. And then I'm going to add the chains, and then we're going to go to the dressing room and go to the currency items and put on this top, and then you're going to remove everything but the lace. Okay, and then for the color, apply the same white color for all the selection, and I'm going to make it metallic for all the selection. Okay, like this. And I'm going to move guys, and this is for the final result. Wait, all right, this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Rumi from K-pop Demon Hunter and dress and press without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.